Hi, my name is David Starks. I used to live in Springfield. I had gotten pulled over for speeding and driving apparently on an SRC. Um, these two tickets are traffic. They are not criminal as stated right there. Now, what's funny is I am filing a complaint against Judge Margaret Palmiero and APA Sid Tippie on the account of, I will show you, that if you look at the docket entries, I filed a continuance because my car was broke down. I have my car back now. I was waiting for it to get out of the shop, and I asked that they extend the court date out to the end of February, which they did, but not until after they issued a warrant on 129 or failure to appear or KPS warrant. And then, but see, here's the funny thing: is I sent it in, they received it on 1/24/2018, and then they sent it to the court on 1/26/18. So how is it that the fact that they didn't show it in court, which is by law required? Now, on to the charges. I got a ticket for exceeding the posted speed limit by 26 miles per hour more. That's a misdemeanor. That's not a criminal infraction if you look it up by the code. And then operating a motor vehicle on a highway with an SRC, that's a misdemeanor D if you look it up by the code, which I'm showing here both of them. Those are traffic tickets. They are in no way, shape, or form criminal. Now, I have been arrested once for failure to appear, and that's because there was no court date on the ticket. They said that it was 10/31/2017, but how was I supposed to know that if there's no court date on the ticket? Now, Judge Palmiero, APA Sid Tippie is the person who is the prosecuting attorney on this, but see, Judge Palmiero is on there. Now, see, they have unscheduled hearings and trials, criminal setting, Judge Margaret Holden Palmiero, location Division 22, third floor, Greene County, Missouri. Now, this is where this comes in. I do have a lawyer on standby. My attorney is very good. He is contracted by me and the government for me, as I do work with the government. I work at the North Kansas City Bureau of Investigation now. I do have a lawsuit papers pending. They're sitting in my lawyer's office, just waiting on my signature. Once I sign them, those will get served. And I do have subpoenas. Um, this is a clear state of violation of civil rights and due process. This is, very big. This is going to hit big on them. Not only is it a violation of civil rights and due process, if the charges do not get dropped and, they do something about it, civil rights lawsuit will go into effect, and so will do a due process lawsuit. In which case I will be suing Greene County for $1.2 million. During this time frame, they will, have to drop anything until I personally, until the trial for the lawsuits is over. Now, you guys can disagree with me, you guys can agree with me, but I feel like Greene County has been digging themselves in a pretty deep hole with everything that has been going on in Greene County lately. One reason why I moved away from Greene County is because of all the negative things that police officers and everybody else around there do. Not saying citizens. I mean, citizens have the good and they have the bad, but I feel it's upon us you know, whether we're old citizens of Greene County, whether we're new citizens of Greene County, or just current citizens, um, we have the right to a due process, and we also have the right to our civil rights. These are being violated. I'm not going to put up with them anymore. This has gotten way too out of hand in Greene County. Now I'm going to show you guys what I'm about to say. So right now I'm requesting a CLU to have these charges dropped and opening up an investigation on Greene County um, courts, and I'm just I'm saying if these are not met, they lawsuit will be filed. For civil rights. Civil rights violation and violation of due process. And whenever I contacted the Missouri State Highway Patrol to find out what the name of the state trooper was that had pulled me over, wrote me the tickets, and everything, they said that even if I had the ticket number, that I could not get that information. Which is wrong. I have the right to information of any officer that writes me a ticket or stops me, and you guys should know that as well. I know my laws pretty well. I have a very smart attorney. I'm a very smart 18-year-old. I'm only 18, and I feel like I'm 32 sometimes, but this is something everybody needs to be aware of. Do not let any law enforcement officer or government official, whether it be city, state, or federal, try and take away your civil rights and allow you not to have a fair due process. You guys are watching me right now. Submit this. It has been submitted. I have a complaint filed with the Greene County, Missouri, as well, and I also have lawsuits ready. I have subpoenas ready. I have a lot of things ready. I have petitions ready. If you guys have any questions, you guys can email me at starksdavid45@gmail.com. I'll put that in the description, as well as if you guys want to contact me, just email me, and I will get you guys my phone number on this issue. If you guys need any help with advice on what you guys should do with the law, like I said, I work for the North Kansas City Bureau of Investigations. I'd be happy to help you guys out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. I'll be doing more videos like this stuff. If you guys need help with filing an ACLU complaint, don't be afraid to email me. I can help walk you through it. Alright. You guys have a good one.